Hey, it's Jane from our recipe tree, and I am giving a shout out to Andrew Swift, who sent us a recipe for butternut squash pie. It's a sweet pie. Supposedly, some people say it's even better than pumpkin pie, so we're gonna put it to the test. My twin sister Jill is gonna be joining me in the kitchen shortly, and I've just roasted these butternut squash. So that took about 45 minutes at 375 in the oven. So now I'm just gonna scoop these out and put them in the food processor and wait for Jill to get here so we can continue on the baking. Now, Jill's kind of poo-pooing me a little bit. I'll just tell you before she gets here, but I'm using a tender flake crust, which I kind of like. I'm not much of a baker like Jill is. I'm not gonna make my crust from scratch. And Jill's probably gonna give me heck for that. But anyways, just for this experiment, we're gonna use the tender flake crust. So Jill is here now, and we're gonna continue on to the next step, which is I've put the butternut squash in here. She's gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to that. And we're just gonna puree it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so the butternut squash, we got 2 cups in here, and there was still like a cup left. And that was 3.5 pounds of squash that I had roasted. So we're gonna go on to the next step, which I've already pre-measured. You're gonna add the eggs. Add the eggs. Keep going. Then milk. Then our condensed milk, which I already put the vanilla in. And brown sugar. Brown sugar and white sugar. Fine. We're gonna whir this up. So now we're gonna add this cornstarch, cinnamon, salt, and nutmeg, which we've already stirred in a bowl. And we're gonna stir it just until combined. So I'm jumping in at this point to say that Jane was very, very lazy and bad because she got pre-made pie crust. It isn't that hard to make your own. Make it the night before and have it nice and cold. That's my suggestion to you, but we'll use her crappy one. And then it looks like we might have enough for 2 pies with this filling. So we're gonna see what happens here. Yes. So how full do you want this? I don't know. It's my first time doing this too. We might have enough for 2 pies. I don't know. You've got to get it pretty full, I would say, like that. Yeah. So you have a little, maybe we could use, we've got 1 cup left of the puree, so maybe we'll do another half recipe. That's okay. Ooh, that looks good, but it's still, what do you think? It's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. I think it's done. And it's golden. Okay. It's maybe the center's a little. Look at it's dropping. Okay, let's give it a few minutes. A couple more minutes. 5? Maybe. 5 minutes. Let's check. That looks better. It's not jiggly. So, okay, we'll see how that goes. Put it on top of the stove. This one is hot out of the oven and it's all puffed up. And this one sat on the wire rack for a while, and you can see that one's getting like pumpkin pie. It's got that little glaze on top and it's tightened up. So this is gonna be interesting. So here's the pie. It looks delicious, cut up really nicely. Now's the taste test. Hey, full disclosure, I don't really like squash. I do. Yum. Tastes just like pumpkin pie. Oh my God. Yeah, it's good. It's still a little warm. You're supposed to have it with ice cream or whipped topping. Yeah, it'd be even better with ice cream.
Yeah, but it's yummy. I don't know if it's healthier than pumpkin. I think it's all the same.
It's good.
Really good way to use up your butternut squash. Thanks to Andrew Swift for giving us this recipe, and it's delicious.